In the trigonometry formulas, sin 2 theta having two values, 2 sin theta cos theta, and then 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, cos 2 theta equal to, there is the 4 values, cos square theta minus sin square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1, then 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, and then tan 2 theta. That is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. This is the difference between sin 2 theta and tan 2. Okay. And then sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta equal to 3 sin theta, 4 sin cube theta. And then cos cube theta equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Tan theta, 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan 2 theta divided by 1 minus tan square 3 tan 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Yes, now we are going to see the exercise number 2.2. So from for this exercise, we are going to use the value of what we are for the 15 formulas from the multiple of angle. Yes, exercise number 2.2. Question number 1. Prove the following. Prove the following. Question number 1. 3 sin inverse of x equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4 x cube, where x belongs to minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Yes, this is a given sum. Just before we saw that the value of the formula for sin 2 theta cos 2 theta like that, correct? So that value we are going to use here. Questions are, yes, whether you got such a sum. The proof of this, yes, proof. What is that? Here, what is that given? Left, right hand side. You should take right hand side of that. What is right hand side, Kana? Sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Yes, look at the here x value, that is involved some identity of multiple of angles, which means you have to take here, take x equal to sin theta. So what you are getting here, that is equal to sin inverse of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Just before we are discussed the multiple of angles, correct? Here sin 3 theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Likewise here, replace the value of that identity here. Sin inverse of, what is that formula? Sin 3 theta. Correct? So, what is next here? Sin inverse, sin cancel. What you are going to get here? That is equal to 3 theta. Just we are assigned here. What is we are assigned? What we are assigned here? X equal to sin 3 theta. Correct? Sorry, sin theta. Correct? Then what you are going to take? Theta equal to sin inverse of x. So what you are going to get here? Replace RHS 3 theta. What is theta value? Sin inverse of x. What is this? It's equal to that is equal to 3 sine inverse of x. That is equal to left hand side. This is the required proof of to sum. Any doubt kanna? So when you got within the bracket in terms of x, you should replace the value x equal to like this. X equal to sine theta. Maximum parallel may become 1 or 2, some changing the value of going to sine, maybe tan or something like that. Now question number 2. What is to prove that? What is prove that Kanna?
3 cos first x.
Yes. 3 cos inverse of x equal to cos inverse into 4x cube minus 3x, where x belongs to closed in 1 by 2 comma 1. Yes. Now the same proof, same ideology we are going to apply here. Proof. What is RHS? Right hand side is cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x, where x belongs to 1 by 2 comma 1. Yes, students, listen. Look at this idea here. It is also involved some multiple identity, correct? So which means you have to take here. Let, what is that? X equal to cos theta. So what you are going to get here? Cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. What is this? Identity, correct? We have the identity what? Cos 3 theta equal to what? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. That is equal to, replace the value here. Cos inverse of cos 3 theta. Correct? So what is next? Cos inverse, cos cancel. What is the remains here? 3 theta. Now what we are consider x as what? What we are taken? Cos theta. I need theta value, which means cos inverse of x. So what is final here? That is equal to RHS equal to 3 into theta. What is theta value? Cos inverse of x. What is this? This is equal to left hand side. Student, any doubts? Yes. The same, these are two proofs. Okay. So multiple of angle getting inside should be in terms of cos inverse. The outside, the inside should be in terms of cos. That's why we are assigning the value of what? X equal to cos. The same thing the previous sum. Here, that is it. First sum, here also inside 3x, which means look like this. What is the formula? Here, whether you want, right, no issue. We have sine 3 theta equal to what? 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Then finally, replace the value of the value sine 3 theta. We are going to cancel. After that, replace the value of sine x. Okay. Very clear? Any doubts? Yes.